Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about the rest of the questions in the past paper of Tuesday, 7th of January, 2020. Question 19, we have a shape here and we want to enlarge the shaded shape with scale factor of half and center 1 and 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's focus on the steps of enlargement. Now, because the scale factor is a fraction, this means the shape will become smaller. It will become smaller. Very good. Now, because it's a positive fraction, the shape will not be upside down. Basically, it's going to be smaller, but not upside down. So let's take a look at the steps. First, we find the center of enlargement, which is 1, 2, and we put an X on the center of enlargement. Let's do it here. So the point 1, 2, first let's find it here. 1 on the X, 2 on the Y. So 1 on the X, 2 on the Y. So the center is over here. We put an X like this. Let's make it smaller. So we know that this is the center of enlargement. Now, any step that we do, we're going to multiply it by the scale factor, which is half. First thing we do, we need to find the distance between the center of enlargement and the first point, which is over here, the first point on the shape, which is over here, okay? Now, we find the distance by counting the boxes from the center of enlargement here till here. We notice that these are what? Very good. These are 10 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 boxes. 10, like this. Now, 10 boxes going to the right, and then we're going to go up 2 boxes, like this, to get to the point. So here, 2 boxes. Now we take these distances, this distance, the 10 and the 2, and we multiply them by half. So 10 times half is going to be 5. This means that we have to go 5 boxes instead of 10. So when we multiply it by half, as we said, the 10 will become 5. 10 times half is going to be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the new distance. And then when we multiply the 2 by half, it's going to be 1. This means I have to go 1 up like this to find the new point. So this is the place of the new point, which is over here. So this point came here. Now I can draw the whole shape without doing these steps again, because I know that this point came over here. Now I can multiply each line. For example, this is 4. I'm going to multiply the 4 by the half, and I'll get the new distance. So that's 4. And this one is 6 here. And then here we have 8. And then I just connect the last line. So 4 times half is going to be 2. This means I'm going to start from this point here. I'm going to go 2 like this. And then 6 times half is going to be 3. So I'm going to go up 3 like this. And then 8 times half is going to be 4. I'm going to go 4 to this side. And then connect the last point with the first point. And I'll get the new shape after the enlargement. And that's the whole idea of this question. So make sure that you understand the steps of finding the first point. And then from the first point, you can draw the whole shape by multiplying each distance by the fraction by the scale factor and find the new distances and draw the shape by using the new distances. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.